Hey guys, my name is Mark Steele. I'm the broker of record for Justo Inc. Brokerage, based out of North York, Ontario, but servicing clients all across the GTA and the province of Ontario. Now today's video is for home sellers, and we want to discuss what you should be looking for when choosing the right agent to list and sell your property. Now there are so many things you can consider, and really the decision at the end of the day really depends on you and of course your needs for your service. But here are a few points that you can consider when choosing the right agent for you. Things such as how much experience do they have, not just selling properties in general, but selling your type of property in your neighborhood. How much time will they have to dedicate to you and the services that you need to have the proper service done and done well. You also want to consider how much commission they'll be charging, what their cancellation policy is if the property doesn't sell, and so many more things. I could list them on and on forever, but again, the decision is yours at the end of the day, and there are a lot of things that you can consider to really help you make that decision. So if you want to have a list of more potential points to look into, take a look at our Justo ebook on the justo.ca website, and you'll find a lot more details there about that and other aspects of selling or buying property. So go onto the justo.ca website and check out the ebook. If you have any other questions, feel free to contact me directly. I'm Mark Steele, broker of record for Justo Inc. Brokerage, and we'll talk to you very soon. Thanks.